Each tuner has its own advantages, but which tuner suits you the best? In this video I'm going to show you the difference between 4 different tuners. First I need to explain 2 settings for the tuners. The instrument setting for guitar, ukulele or violin, and the chromatic setting. With the instrumental setting, the tuner doesn't display other tones than your string names. For the guitar instrument settings, these tones are E, A, the D, the G, the B and the E. This setting can be helpful for beginners to tune your guitar. The chromatic setting is a little bit more complex, because you need some theoretical knowledge. In my previous video you've already seen this circle. The chromatic setting displays the tone your string has at the moment. Where your guitar is very out of tune, this setting will be displaying other tones than your string names. If your string has the tone C but it needs to be an E, you have to know that you have to tighten the strings to get an E. See my other video for more info. An app for your smartphone. An app for your smartphone to tune your guitar is very useful. In the App Store there are a lot of tuners you can choose from and most of them are free. I use the apps Guitar Tuner and Guitar Toolkit to tune my guitar. The app uses the microphone of your phone to pick up the tone of your string. The app tuner can be precise, but the pointer may be choppy when it picks up some background noise. When there's a lot of background noise, it may be that the app shows the wrong tone. So useful for at home, but I don't recommend it for using it on stage. Most of the time, free apps have instrumental settings to tune your guitar. With an in-app purchase, you can often buy a chromatic setting for a few dollars. The clip tuner. The clip tuner is small and easy to use. You can clip it onto the headstock of your guitar. This tuner doesn't have a microphone, but it reacts on vibrations the string produces. So it doesn't respond to background noise. There are many different clip tuners. Most of them have a chromatic setting and some of them have an instrumental setting. Like this one. The guitar, the bass, the violin and the ukulele. And the chromatic setting. The orchestral tuner. An orchestral tuner uses the microphone to pick up the tone. There may be a jack input to connect your guitar with, so the tone isn't affected by background noise. It's not called an orchestral tuner for nothing. It is often used in an orchestra to tune all those different instruments. Most of the time the tuner also have different options, like a metronome or an option to set the hertz, which is another theoretical story and is barely used by guitar players. This tuner almost always only have a chromatic setting. The tuner pedal. A tuner pedal is useful for electric guitarists who have to connect their guitar to their amp anyway. This one only works with a jack input. Besides the input, this pedal also has a jack output, what can be connected to an amp. When you press the pedal, it cuts the signal to your amp and you can tune your guitar. When you press it again, your signal bypasses the tuner and goes directly to your amp. There are a lot of different tuners for your pedalboard, like this one. It can detect the tones of 6 strings simultaneously, so you have a fast overview to see which string is out of tune. Most of the pedals have the chromatic setting and some of them have the instrumental setting. A short list of the discussed tuners: the tuner app, the clip tuner, the orchestral tuner and the tuner pedal. Check out my other video about tuning your guitar and don't forget to subscribe.